Morning, guys. Hey Brian, you don't want to be on the little camera? You don't want to say hi to your fans? He's camera shy. We're about to get started on cleaning almost 2,000 panels. It's gonna be an easy site. I'm gonna show you guys on this thermal imaging that we just completed. It's showing that there is a few strings offline. We're gonna send that into our installer, and they're most likely going to come and assess the issue for the client. What we're doing is we're planning our cleaning. We're trying to see exactly where are we going to be starting and where we're going to be finishing, and if we're going to come across wow, dude, thank you whoever left this. Hey Brian, we got an extra, I don't know, 50 feet of hose that we can use. Look at this. Whoever was using this, and guys, don't buy some Home Depot stuff, for real. There's a Home Depot hose, most likely. They left 2 of them here. Wow, jeez, thank you whoever. Let me guess, it snapped. So this is what probably could have been causing the string to shut off. Look at that. Who knows how long it's been here, but yo, come check this out. There's some Home Depot hoses, some DeWalt. Yeah, it's gonna be an easy cleaning. Oh yeah, back to the thermal imaging. There's some offline strings, and yeah, this job is estimated to take 2 days, just because they have a short operating hour on this facility. But we should get it done. We should be able to get it done by tomorrow. They did. They probably just came out and wow, yeah, you guys can see these are clean. They probably came out and were like, yeah, we don't have the equipment to clean this. Well, that makes sense. Home Depot, DeWalt hoses, makes sense. They didn't have the proper equipment. Interesting.
Bee up here.
Oh yeah, don't get it near me, please. Keep it away from me. I'm allergic to bees. Look at what they were using. Oh, they probably, look at this. Wow, they cleaned like some of them, but wow, I think that's why it was interesting. Okay, so for anybody that wants to know, majority of the defected or broken or shattered whatever cells on these is that direct pressure breaks the cells on the modules, causing micro cracks and causing defects on the panels. Wow, interesting. Again, Brian, what he's doing is heading down, and then now I'm gonna be the one pulling the hose while he's coming this way. That was a little bit too strong, so that way he doesn't trip. It's easier with 2 hands. Come on, man. Thank you. There we go. There you go, buddy. How do you feel? We have just that side left and we should be done. All right, about 2,000 panels. We got half of it done. Well, almost. We just have this little small section right here, and then we did onto the second area, and then we still just have these rows. Sadly, we're out of time. This facility closes at 4:30, so it takes about an hour to pack up and head out. So we will be back tomorrow. Luckily, this job was scheduled to be a 2-day job. I believe we could have been done a little bit, well, I think we could have been done with the whole project if we probably would have brought an extra hand, just because it's just 2 of us. So yeah, 2,000 panels could be cleaned in 1 day with 3 people. It's just a lot of hose management, a lot of safety precautions, and Brian is actually hungry, so yeah, we'll be just completing about 10 rows right here, and then about 30 rows right here, and we should be done by tomorrow. Maybe it's gonna be like a 2-hour job to complete. All right, so now for tomorrow, it's gonna take about 2 hours or 3 hours to be completed with this whole section right here. And you know, who else just likes watching views around? It's really nice. But we're gonna be heading to our hotel for this facility. Since it was 2 days, so we did book a hotel room just so we don't have to drive back, and you know, peace and quiet, and we could just be here early tomorrow morning, get some rest. So we are where is this? We're in Anaheim, so I'm pretty sure there's a lot of things to do out here, and we'll spoil my technician, and we're gonna go have some fun, go have some food, and probably go out, enjoy the nightlife on a Tuesday. Let's see if there's any nightlife. Y'all want to see how low or how deep down this thing goes? Ooh, 2 stories down, straight down, man. All right. Good morning. It's day 2 of cleaning 2,000 panels. So here, let me show you guys something real quick. I'm not sure if you guys can see the difference between clean panels and dirty panels. So we just have this little small area to clean, and then we have 2 arrays on this side to complete as well. Should be done in about 3 hours or less. So it is I think currently it's actually 7:46, so we will get started around 8. We should be done by 10:30, 11. But I want to show you guys in a bit. I'll show you guys a video comparison of a brush and a surface cleaner on what not to use and what to use when cleaning solar panels. We're done. How do you feel? Good. 8:52. 1 hour exactly. Well, we started at 8:17. 40 minutes for the remaining 2 arrays. How many panels is that, do you think? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 200, and about 280. And then what is this? About 150, 300, and 400 panels, because there's actually 12 on each row, but I just counted by tens. 300, 400 panels, right? 400 panels in less than 40 minutes. This is why you have to do a final walkthrough inspection. Although you think that you're all completed and everything, we forgot that we missed this area because the hose didn't reach, so we had to connect it. And then there's a row right here that looks pretty nasty. It appears that the brush didn't fully touch it. Probably the brush was not set properly or twisted properly. We're gonna do this row and complete this section right here, and then we're done. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly why surface cleaners and pressure washers or direct pressure on solar panels is not allowed. So you can't see it with the naked eye, but it's causing damage to the cells, meaning micro cracks, micro fractures. I'm showing you guys right here via thermal imaging. This is the area where the previous company cleaned, and what you're seeing there is broken cells, defective cells. You can't see it with the naked eye, but these cells or different color in modules, those are the damaged cells. Now you got some strings over here where they cleaned, where they damaged a lot of them, okay? But you can only see it with a thermal inspection. And let's show you guys exactly right here a very detailed example of what's causing these cells to be overheated. It's the surface cleaner that was utilized. So never use direct pressure, high PSI